Hello everyone, welcome you. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about remaining part of our second chapter in herbal drug technology, that is nutraceuticals. In that first part, we will discuss about general aspects, definitions of nutraceutical, then market, growth, scope and types of products available in the market, and then health benefits and role of nutraceuticals, uses of nutraceuticals in the diseases. We will discuss in first part. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about some herbs as a health food. Okay, these are 10 examples in the study of herbs as health food. That is alfalfa, chicory, ginger, fenugreek, garlic, honey, amla, ginseng, ashwagandha and spirulina. These are the 10 drugs in nutraceuticals. In that first one is alfalfa. In that family of alfalfa, fabaceae or leguminosae. 10 species in that medicago sativa. Active constituents in alfalfa, that is carotenoids, triterpenoids, saponin and isoflavonoid. Then part use, that is herb, and herbal use, that is use of these alfalfa drug, it is arthritis, high cholesterol, diabetic, peptic ulcer and it has diuretic and emetic use. Okay, these are the information of these drug. Okay, these are nutraceutical herbs used as health food, healthy food. Okay, so family of these alfalfa, fabaceae or leguminosae, then species medicago sativa, active constituents in that carotenoids, triterpenoids, saponin, isoflavonoid and part used as herb. Then herbal use in that arthritis, high cholesterol, diabetic, peptic ulcer and it has a diuretic and emetic action. Okay, the next one drug, that is chicory. Chicory, that is synonym, that is kasani. Biological source of chicory, dried leaves and roots of Cichorium intabus. Cichorium intabus. Biological source of chicory, dried leaves and roots of Cichorium intabus, belonging to family Compositae. Active constituents in chicory, that is flavonoids, tannins, triterpenoids, umbelliferon and scopolamine. Herbal use of this chicory drug, that is jaundice, liver problem, diabetes and intestinal worms. That is, these are the uses of chicory. Herbal use, that is jaundice, liver problem, diabetes and intestinal worms. Then third one, that is ginger. Biological source of ginger, that is Zingiber officinalis. Family Zingiberaceae. Active constituents in ginger, that is gingerol, shagol, zingiberine, starch and zingiberol. Okay, these are active constituents. Then herbal use of ginger, that is boost digestion, control nausea, reduce arthritis, increase blood flow, prevent cancer and decrease cholesterol. These are the herbal uses of ginger. Ginger, that is biological source of ginger, that is Zingiber officinalis, belonging to family Zingiberaceae. Then active constituents of this drug, that is zingerol, shagol, zingiberine, starch and zingiberol. Okay, then herbal use of this drug, that is boost digestion, control nausea, reduce arthritis, increase blood flow, prevent cancer and decrease cholesterol. These are information about ginger. Then next one drug, that is fenugreek. Synonym of this fenugreek, मेथी and medica. Okay, fenugreek म्हणजे काय आहे, मेथी. Then biological source, that is dried ripe seeds of Trigonella phoenum. Trigonella foenum belonging to family Leguminosae. Then active constituents in fenugreek, fenugreekane, then trigonelline and diosgenin. These are active constituents of fenugreek. Then herbal use in that diabetes, hyperlipidemia, hypercholesterol, ulcer, then upper respiratory tract infection, then arthritis. These are the uses in a fenugreek. Synonym methi, biological source dried ripe seeds of Trigonella foenum belonging to family Leguminosae. Active constituents fenugreekane, trigonelline, diosgenin. Herbal use diabetes, hyperlipidemia, hypercholesterol, ulcer, upper respiratory tract infection and used in arthritis. Okay. Then garlic, synonym of garlic that is lasun. Then biological source dried bulbs of allium sativum belonging to family Liliaceae. Active constituents that is allicin, allyl, allyl propyl, disulfide, selenium and scordinins. These are active constituents in garlic, that is lasun. Okay, biological source of garlic, that is dried bulbs of allium sativum. Uses of these garlic that is used in hypertension, diabetes, hypercholesterol, hyperlipidemia, flatulence and spasm. Hypertension मध्ये then diabetes, cholesterol, hypercholesterol, hyperlipidemia, flatulence and spasm मध्ये garlic use केलं जातं. Okay. Then next one, sixth one drug that is honey. Synonym of honey that is madhu. Then biological source of this honey that is sugar secretions deposited in honeycomb by bees, Apis mellifera and Apis dorsata. These are the species belonging to family Apidae. Synonym madhu. Mud, honey that is mud. Biological source of this honey, sugar secretion deposited in honeycomb. Sugar secretion deposited in honeycomb by bees Apis mellifera and Apis dorsata belonging to family Apidae. Active constituents in that glucose, fructose, dextrin, maltose, formic acid and acetic acid. Active constituents in honey in that glucose, fructose, dextrin, maltose, formic acid and acetic acid. Herbal uses of honey that is nutritive and in cough. Uses of honey that is nutritive and used in cough. Synonym that is madhu. Biological source sugar secretion deposited in honeycomb by bees Apis mellifera and Apis dorsata belonging to family Apidae. Active constituents in that glucose, fructose, dextrin, maltose, formic acid and acetic acid. Herbal uses that is used as nutritive and used in cough. Then seventh one is amla. Synonym that is Indian gooseberry or amlaki. ओके. सिनोनिम मध्ये काय आहे, आमलकी और इंडियन गुसबेरी. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स ड्राइड राइप फ्रूट्स ऑफ फायलैंथस इम्बेलिका belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. Euphorbiaceae. Synonym amlaki, Indian gooseberry. Biological source of these amla dried ripe fruits of Phyllanthus imblica. Phyllanthus imblica belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. Active constituents in that gallic acid, iragic acid, vitamin C, amino acid and phylum B. These are active constituents in amla. Gallic acid, elagic acid, mostly vitamin C, amino acid and phylum B. Herbal uses of amla in that powerful antioxidant, accelerates the cell's regeneration, building the body's immune system and used as a vitamin C. Okay, so powerful antioxidant, accelerates the cells regeneration, building the body's building the body's immune system. These are the uses of amla. Amla, that is Indian gooseberry, dried ripe fruits of Phyllanthus imblica belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. Active constituents in amla, that is gallic acid, ellagic acid, vitamin C, amino acid and phylum B. Uses, it is powerful antioxidant, accelerates the cells regeneration, building the body's immune system. These are the uses of amla. Then at one drug, that is ginseng. Ginseng synonym, that is ninjin. Ginseng, that is ninjin. Biological source of ginseng, that is dried ripe fruits of Panax ginseng, that is Coria, and Panax quiniquifolium. These are the two species in ginseng. Dried roots of Panax ginseng, that is Coria, and Panax quiniquifolium. Quiniquifolium belonging to family Araliaceae. Belonging to family Araliaceae. Active constituents in that olenic acid, panaxodiol, panaxodiol, panaxotriol, and damarol. These are the active constituents in ginseng. Olenic acid, panaxodiol, panaxotriol, and damarol. These are the active constituents in ginseng. ginseng म्हणजे शतावरी. Okay, ginseng is shatavari. Panax ginseng, Coria or Panax quiniquifolium. Araliaceae belonging to family Araliaceae. Then active constituents olenic acid, panaxodiol, panaxotriol and dimerol. Herbal uses, that is stresses, fatigue, erectile dysfunction, hyperglycemia, aging, CVS, that is cardiovascular सिस्टीमचे जे काही डिसीज असतील अँड मोनोपॉझल सिम्पटम्स, त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, गिन्सेंग रूट यूज केलं जातं. स्ट्रेस, फटीग, इरेक्टाईल डिसफंक्शन, हायपरग्लायसेमिया, एजिंग, CVS डिसीज अँड मेनोपॉझल सिम्पटम्स. देन नेक्स्ट वन, that is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha synonym, that is vidhania. Okay, ashwagandha, that is synonym vidhania. Biological source of ashwagandha, it is dried roots of Vidhania somnifera belonging to family Solanaceae. Ashwagandha synonym vidhania. Biological source, dried roots of Vidhania somnifera belonging to family Solanaceae. Active constituents, that is triaconatane, then dihydroxy stigmasterol, vidamine, somine, amino acid, vidhanaloids, vidaferin A. These are the active constituents in ashwagandha. Vidhania is synonyms of ashwagandha, and dried roots of Vidhania somnifera belonging to family Solanaceae, that is the biological source of ashwagandha. These are active constituents in ashwagandha. Then these are the uses of ashwagandha in that sedative, diuretics, emetic, dyspepsia, flatulence, asthma, nervic tonic, liver complaints. These are the uses of ashwagandha. Then last one drug, that is spirulina. In that spirulina, biological source, that is blue-green algae, that is spirulina platensis and spirulina maxima. These are the two species of spirulina, that is blue-green algae belonging to family Oscillotauriaceae. Okay, active constituents in beta carotene, proteinous nitrogen, lipid, vitamin F, fatty acid, phycobiliprotein, glycogen and rhamnose. These are the active constituents in spirulina. Then herbal use in that immunostimulatory, hypolipidemic, antiviral, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. These are the uses of spirulina. Biological source of spirulina, that is blue-green algae, Spirulina plantaceae and Spirulina maxima, belonging to family Oscillothoraceae. Active constituents in spirulina: beta-carotene, proteinous nitrogen, lipid, vitamin F, fatty acid, phycobiliprotein, glycogen and rhamnose. In herbal use, that is immunostimulatory, hypolipidemic, antiviral and anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. These are the uses of spirulina. These are all about the nutraceuticals. Okay, these are the examples of herbs as health food. काय काय बघितलं आपण? अल्फाल्फा, चिकोरे, जिंजर, फेनुग्रीक, गार्लिक, हनी, amla, ginseng, ashwagandha and spirulina. These are the 10 drugs under the nutraceuticals. Okay, then next one, nutraceuticals in diabetes. आपल्याला काय काय बघायचे आहेत तर रोल ऑफ न्यूट्रास्युटिकल इन एलिमेंट्स लाईक डायबेटीस, सीव्हियस डिसीज, कॅन्सर, इरिटेबल बॉवेल सिंड्रोम अँड व्हेरियस गॅस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल डिसीजेस. रोल बघायचा आहे न्यूट्रास्युटिकल्सचा ह्या सगळ्या डिसीजमध्ये. Okay, so first one disease, that is diabetes. So diabetes mellitus is characterized by abnormal high level of blood glucose or either due to insufficient insulin production. Nutraceuticals in diabetes. न्यूट्रास्युटिकल्सचा डायबेटीसमध्ये रोल काय आहे? सो डायबेटीस मेलायटस इज कॅरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ॲबनॉर्मल हाय लेवल ऑफ ब्लड ग्लुकोज or either due to insufficient insulin production. So common form, that is type 1, that is 5% autoimmune disorder, and type 2, that is 95% obesity. Okay. So nutraceuticals काय आहे? Nutraceuticals are product which other than nutrition are also used as medicines, and that physiological benefits or provides protection against chronic diseases. Then role of nutraceuticals in that lipoic acid, so universal antioxidant for treatment of neuropathy, and it is possible at more effective as a long-term dietary supplement. In dietary fibers used for both pharmacological and food supplements. So possesses reduction in weight by glucose and lipid control. There are two types in fruits, in that water soluble fiber and water insoluble fiber. So they are present in fruits, vegetable, grains, legumes, etc. They are used to correct constipation, bowel irregularities and hemorrhoids. Okay, these are the nutraceuticals in that lipoic acid. These are universal antioxidant for treatment of neuropathy, and it is possible and more effective as a long term for dietary supplement. न्यूरोपॅथी मध्ये पण यूज केलं जातं ट्रीटमेंटसाठी आणि डायटरी सप्लिमेंट म्हणून सुद्धा यूज केलं जातं. देन डायटरी फायबर्स यूज फॉर बोथ फार्माकोलॉजिकल अँड फूड सप्लिमेंट्स. possesses reduction in weight by glucose and lipid control. There are two types, in that water soluble fiber and water insoluble fibers, in that they are present in fruits, vegetable, grains, legumes, etc. and they are used to correct constipation, bowel irregularities and hemorrhoids. Then nutraceuticals in cardiovascular system. कार्डिओव्हॅस्क्युलर सिस्टीममध्ये न्यूट्रास्युटिकल्सचा रोल काय आहे? सो CVS, that is cardiovascular system. So CVS disorder is a disorder of heart and blood vessels, and hypertension, congestive heart failure, stroke, peripheral vascular disease and etc. Majority CVS disorder are preventable. CVS disorder कशामुळे होतात? हार्ट अँड ब्लड व्हेसल्समुळे. आणि हायपरटेन्शन आहे, कंजेस्टिव्ह हार्ट फेल्युअर आहे, देन स्ट्रोक आहे, देन पेरिफेरल व्हॅस्क्युलर डिसीजेस आहेत अँड एक्सेट्रा. अँड मेजॉरिटी इन सिरियस डिसऑर्डर आर प्रिव्हेंटेबल. ते आपण प्रिव्हेंट करू शकतो. देन रोल ऑफ न्यूट्रास्युटिकल्स. In that, nutraceuticals in form of antioxidant, dietary fibers, vitamin, minerals are used with physical exercise for prevention and treatment of serious disorder. Polyphenol present in grape wine reduce arterial disease. Flavonoids are widely distributed in onion, black grapes, red wine, apple, cherries. Then flavonoids are available as flavons, that is chamomile, and flavones, that is citrus fruit, for serious disorder. Okay, इथला जो वर्ड आहे तो सिरियस डिसऑर्डरसाठी हे सगळे जे काही फ्लॅवोनाइड्स आहेत ते यूज केले जातात. ओके, फ्लॅवोनाइड्स आर अवेलेबल ॲज फ्लॅवॉन्स, दॅट इज चॅमोमाईल, अँड फ्लॅवोनोन्स, दॅट इज सिट्रस फ्रूट्स, फॉर serious disorder. These are the roles of nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals in cardiovascular system, in that serious disorder is disorder of heart and blood vessels, hypertension, congestive heart failure, stroke, peripheral vascular disease and etc. And majority in serious disorder are preventable. These are the role of nutraceuticals. Then nutraceuticals in cancer, a disease caused by uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in the part of body, and they may be malignant or benign. Okay, cancer मध्ये disease controlled by uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in the part of body, and they may be malignant or benign. Role of nutraceuticals in cancer, in that nutraceuticals have ability to control and regulate the DNA damaging factor in cancer cell. It possesses therapeutic benefits like anti-obesity, immunity enhancement, cardiovascular or anti-diabetic effects. It has proven to be potential to interfere even at late stage cancer and alter the metastatic spread of cancer by increasing the phytochemicals. By utilizing daily diet of nutraceuticals, specific sites to entire gene combination found in particular form of cancer. Nutraceuticals have ability to control and regulate the DNA damaging factor in cancer cells. It possesses therapeutic benefits like anti-obesity, immunity enhancement, cardiovascular, anti-diabetic effects. It has proven to be potential to interfere even at late stage cancer and alter the metastatic spread of cancer by increasing the phytochemicals. By utilizing daily diet of nutraceuticals, specific sites to entire gene combination found in particular form of cancer. Okay, then nutraceuticals in irritable bowel disease. Irritable bowel syndrome is a chronic gastrointestinal that are characterized by abdominal pain or discomfort at least 3 days and change in frequency and form of stool. Irritable bowel syndrome is a chronic gastrointestinal disease that are characterized by abdominal pain or discomfort at least 3 days and change is frequency and form of stool. Role of nutraceutical in irritable bowel disease, in that nutraceuticals such as bioactive peptides, phytochemicals, omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, dietary supplements such as fish oil, curcumin, aloe vera treat bowel syndrome. Curcumin and green tea supplementation cause reduction in irritable bowel disease. Then Bifidobacterium infantis over lactobacillus and placebo treat abdominal pain or discomfort and bowel movement difficulty. These are the role of nutraceutical. Nutraceuticals such as bioactive peptides, phytochemicals, omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, and dietary supplements such as fish oil, curcumin, aloe vera treat bowel syndrome. Curcumin and green tea supplementation cause reduction in IBD. Bifidobacterium infantis over lactobacillus and placebo treat abdominal pain or discomfort and bowel movement difficulty. These are the role of nutraceuticals in irritable bowel disease. Then nutraceuticals in gastrointestinal diseases, in that the GIT disorder is referred to any condition or disease within the GI tract from mouth to anus. This also includes liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Okay, these are the nutraceuticals. In that आपण फर्स्ट पार्टमध्ये बघितलं जनरल अस्पेक्ट्स, मार्केट ग्रोथ, स्कोप अँड टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. Then health benefits and role of nutraceuticals in ailments like diabetes, CVS disease, cancer, irritable bowel syndrome, and various gastrointestinal disease. Then 10 ड्रग बघितले. त्याच्यामध्ये हर्ब्स ॲज हेल्थ फूड म्हणून त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट वन ड्रग अल्फाल्फा, सेकंड चिकोरी, देन थर्ड वन जिंजर, गार्लिक, फेनुग्रीक, हनी, amla, ginseng, ashwagandha, and spirulina. These are the drugs comes under nutraceuticals. So nutraceuticals 2.1 हा चॅप्टर आपला संपलेला आहे. 2.2 जो पार्ट आहे हर्बल ड्रग अँड हर्ब फूड इंट्रॅक्शन्स हा आपण नेक्स्ट पार्टमध्ये बघणार आहोत. सो थँक्यू सो मच. Happy learning. Stay safe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of upcoming videos. Thank you.